In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register a PayPal business account effortlessly, regardless of whether you're in the US, the Philippines, or elsewhere around the globe. We'll go into the details of what you need and guide you through each step smoothly, so let's dive right in. To kick things off, let's go over the essentials you'll need to create your account. No matter the country you're in, having a valid email address ready is crucial. Ensure this email isn't tied to another PayPal account, as each account needs its own unique email. A strong password will follow. It's your first line of defense, so make sure it's robust. You'll also require your legal name, or if you're setting this up for your business, the business name. Business details come next. You'll need to know the business name, type, whether you're a sole proprietor, freelancer, or company, and a brief description along with an estimate of your monthly sales. Moving on to personal information, you'll need to provide your date of birth, home address, and a tax ID. For U.S. residents, this will be your Social Security number, while for others, a tax identification number or whatever your local tax authority uses will suffice. Lastly, secure bank or card details to link your account, as they are vital for both making and receiving payments. And although it's often optional for casual sellers, a business registration number or license can also be part of the setup. Now, let's look at country-specific requirements, starting with the United States. Here, you'll need to provide your Social Security number, information on your business structure or type, and while linking a US-based bank account is optional, it's highly recommended for a smoother transaction process. Activation usually completes once you verify your email and link your bank account, helping you get ready for business. If you are in the Philippines or similar markets, start by using your email and legal name. At the sign-up stage, opt for a business account. You'll then need a government ID, a proof of address like a utility bill or bank statement, and a bank account with institutions like BPI or BDO. Again, business registration numbers are optional for casual or sole proprietor setups. Let's walk through the step-by-step setup process that applies generally across the board. First, head over to paypal.com and click on Sign Up, then choose Business Account. You'll enter your email and set up your password. Here comes your business info. Fill in the name, phone number, address, a brief description, and your sales estimate. Follow this with your personal information and the relevant tax ID for verification purposes. Now it's time to read through the privacy policy and user agreement. Once you're comfortable, click Agree and Create. You're almost there. Just verify your email by clicking the link sent by PayPal. Finally, link your bank account or card. Doing so not only enables payouts, but is crucial for the final confirmation of your account. And as a final tip, it's often recommended to upload identification or business documents if requested for full verification, although this may be optional based on your needs. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to setting up your PayPal business account, tailored to your regional needs. Stay connected and transact efficiently with your new account. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more instructional videos like this one.